Well, it's time to look over each rolling hill. Time to turn the clock back to see the gentle valleys, the valleys of Greene County, Pennsylvania, back in the 1800s. Take you to Waynesburg, a right pretty town, with friendly folks too, surrounded by beautiful scenery straight from the paintbrush of God. And oh yes, we've got something else you won't find anywhere else in the whole world. Rain Day.
Ha! King you? Well, by darn. Oh boy, your checker game is about as hot as this July weather. We need a rain. We need a rain as bad as I need to whoop you at checkers.
Now, as for beating me at checkers, I'll make no predictions. But as for rain, I've been noticing for the last several years now, it's been raining every July 29th since I've been a fireman.
I need to whoop you at checkers.
Now, as for beating me at checkers, I'll make no predictions.
Okay.
But as for rain, I've been noticing for the last several years that every July 29th.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Here, have a piece of candy. You two have a good day.
Thank you, we will.
What's that you said? July 29th? Are you sure?
Sure as I'm winning this checker game.
Well, I'm going to hold you to that. It rains every July 29th. Hey, that's today. And just look at that fine weather out there.
I'm so sure it's going to rain, I'd bet my hat on it. Oh, here they go again.
You got to bet. And keeping precise records is part of my business. And right on the side of this ledger, I'm going to make a note. July 29th. Sunny, hot, and dry. July 29th. Sunny, hot, and dry. Well, I'll see. It's official. It really does rain in Waynesburg on July 29th.
And this year, once again, I'll wager that on July 29th in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania, there'll be rain.
Well, now that's pretty much how the first rain day came about, and it's been going on ever since. Kept alive from one generation to the next. It's a bit of Greene County history. Well, we're darn proud of it too. Rain Day has become quite well known. In fact, it's known all over the world. Lots of famous people have lost their hats just trying to bet against Rain Day. I guess they can't help themselves. And this year, once again, I'd wager that on July the 29th in Waynesburg, Pennsylvania, yes, it's going to rain. Just give it some time. It'll rain.